Over 60 plus, add this to coffee to rebuild muscles. Fast. What if I told you that the same morning ritual you've had for decades could become your secret weapon for rebuilding muscle? Most people over 60 think muscle loss is just part of aging, but I'm about to show you how adding one cheap kitchen ingredient to your coffee can help rebuilding that strength naturally, starting tomorrow morning. This isn't about fancy supplements or expensive treatments. What I'm talking about is something you probably already have in your kitchen. The reason your muscles are getting weaker has a name: sarcopenia. It's the natural loss of muscle mass that happens as we age. But here's what most people don't know. The secret isn't just in exercising more, it's in timing your nutrition perfectly with your body's natural muscle building clock. And the ingredient I'm going to show you works best when combined with caffeine, which is why your morning coffee becomes the perfect delivery system. As a nutrition researcher who spent over 12 years studying muscle health in older adults, I've seen the simple morning ritual help hundreds of people regain strength they thought was gone forever. And the best part? You can start today with ingredients that cost less than $5. Today, I'm sharing 3 powerful additions you can make to your morning coffee. And number 2 is something most doctors never mention, but it can actually help protect your joints while feeding your muscles exactly what they need to grow stronger. Let's start with the first one, and this might surprise you because it's probably sitting in your pantry right now. Ingredient number 1, dark cocoa powder. Adding just 2 tablespoons of unsweetened dark cocoa powder to your morning coffee can increase muscle protein synthesis by up to 25%, giving your legs the building blocks they need to get stronger. Reason: why it works. Here's the science in simple terms. Cocoa is packed with something called flavonoids, particularly epicatechin. These natural compounds improve blood flow to your muscles and help your body use protein more efficiently. Think of it as opening up the highways that deliver nutrients directly to your leg muscles when they need it most. How to use. Start with 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder in your morning coffee. Mix it well, and if it's too bitter, add a small amount of honey or stevia. The key is timing. Drink this within 30 minutes of waking up when your body is primed for muscle building. After a week, you can increase to 2 tablespoons if you enjoy the taste. If you're sensitive to caffeine, you might want to use decaf coffee or try this with herbal coffee alternatives. People taking blood thinners should check with their doctor first, as cocoa can enhance circulation. I worked with Helen, a 67-year-old from Ohio, who struggled to climb her basement stairs to do laundry. After adding cocoa to her morning routine for just 3 weeks, she told me she was taking those stairs 2 at a time again. The difference wasn't just in her legs, she felt more energetic throughout the day. Now, if cocoa helps build your muscles during the day, this next ingredient works like a night shift crew, repairing and strengthening your muscles while you sleep. Before we dive in, I'd love to know where you're watching from today. Drop your city and country in the comments below. Plus, I've put together a free muscle building meal guide specifically for people over 60, with serving sizes and timing that actually work. You'll find the link in the first comment. Ingredient number 2, collagen peptides. Adding collagen peptides to your coffee provides your muscles with the exact amino acids they need to rebuild stronger, while also protecting your joints and improving your balance. Reason: why it works. As we age, our bodies produce about 1% less collagen each year after age 20. Collagen isn't just for skin, it's the scaffolding that holds your muscles together. When you add collagen peptides to your coffee, you're giving your body pre-digested protein that goes straight to work repairing muscle fibers and strengthening the connective tissue around your joints. How to use. Add 1 scoop, about 10 grams, of unflavored collagen peptides to your cocoa coffee. It dissolves completely and has no taste. The beauty of collagen is that it works synergistically with the cocoa's flavonoids. Together, they create the perfect environment for muscle growth and joint protection. Choose collagen from grass-fed sources when possible. If you're a vegetarian, there are plant-based amino acid blends that provide similar benefits, though they work differently than animal collagen. Paul, a 72-year-old retired carpenter from Texas, came to me because his knees were so stiff he couldn't enjoy his morning walks with his wife. After 6 weeks of this coffee routine, he not only resumed his walks, but started helping his neighbor with small home repairs again. His wife said it was like having the old Paul back. These first 2 ingredients focus on building and repairing, but this third addition is all about energy and endurance, helping you feel strong throughout the entire day. Ingredient number 3, MCT oil. Adding just 1 teaspoon of MCT oil to your enhanced coffee provides sustained energy that feeds your muscles and brain for hours, without the afternoon crash that leaves you feeling weak. Reason why it works. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides. Unlike regular fats that take hours to digest, MCTs go straight to your liver and convert to energy within minutes. This rapid energy helps fuel your muscle-building processes and gives you the stamina to stay active throughout the day. Active muscles are strong muscles. How to use? Start with half a teaspoon of MCT oil and gradually increase to 1 teaspoon over a week. Add it last, after the cocoa and collagen, and stir well. Some people prefer to blend their coffee for 10 seconds to create a creamy, frothy texture that's absolutely delicious. Start slowly with MCT oil. Too much too fast can cause digestive upset. If you have gallbladder issues, consult your doctor first. Coconut oil can be used as an alternative, though it works more slowly. Linda, a 65-year-old grandmother from Florida, told me she used to need a nap every afternoon just to function. After adding MCT oil to her morning coffee routine, she started keeping up with her 4-year-old grandson at the playground. She calls it her grandma fuel. Here's something crucial that most people miss. The magic isn't just in what you add to your coffee, it's when you drink it and how consistent you are. Your muscles have a natural rhythm. They're most receptive to building materials in the morning after fasting overnight. This enhanced coffee works best when consumed within 30 minutes of waking up, before you eat anything else. Consistency beats perfection every time. It's better to have this muscle-building coffee 5 days a week for a month than to have it perfectly every day for just 1 week. Your muscles adapt and grow stronger through regular, repeated nutrition. I know what some of you might be thinking. This sounds too simple to work, or I've tried everything before. I understand those feelings. After 60, we've often been disappointed by promises that didn't deliver. But here's what makes this different. This isn't about overnight transformation. It's about giving your body the specific nutrients it needs, when it needs them, in a form it can actually use. Most muscle building advice focuses only on exercise, but nutrition timing is equally important, especially as we age. Let me walk you through the complete morning ritual that's helped so many people regain their strength and confidence. First, brew your regular coffee, about 8 to 10 ounces. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and stir until dissolved. Next, add 1 scoop of collagen peptides and mix thoroughly. Finally, add half to 1 teaspoon of MCT oil. For the best texture, give it a quick blend or vigorous stir. Drink this within 30 minutes of waking up, ideally before your first meal. The combination works synergistically, each ingredient enhancing the others. The cocoa improves blood flow and provides antioxidants, the collagen gives your muscles building blocks, and the MCT oil provides sustained energy. Here's what you can realistically expect. In the first week, you might notice more sustained energy throughout the morning. By week 2, many people report feeling steadier on their feet. After 3 to 4 weeks, you may notice it's easier to get up from chairs, climb stairs, or carry groceries. Remember, everyone's body responds differently. Some people see changes quickly, others take longer. The important thing is consistency and patience with yourself. Before starting any new nutrition routine, especially if you're taking medications or have health conditions, please consult with your healthcare provider. This is particularly important if you're on blood thinners, diabetes medications, or have digestive issues. These ingredients are generally safe for most people, but your doctor knows your specific situation best. This enhanced coffee complements a healthy lifestyle. It doesn't replace medical care or prescribed treatments. Your strength doesn't have to be a thing of the past. Every morning, you have an opportunity to nourish your muscles and invest in your independence. This isn't about turning back the clock. It's about making the most of where you are right now. To recap, dark cocoa powder for muscle building and circulation, collagen peptides for structure and joint support, and MCT oil for sustained energy. Combined with your morning coffee, timed perfectly when your body is ready to build and repair. The best part? You can start tomorrow morning with ingredients that probably cost less than 1 meal out. Which of these 3 ingredients will you try first in your morning coffee? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, you might want to check out my video on the 5 best exercises you can do right from your kitchen chair to strengthen your legs even faster. Remember, small consistent changes create lasting results. Here's to stronger days ahead.